The question says when zinc sulfide is boiled with strong nitric acid, the products are zinc nitrate, sulphuric acid and nitrogen dioxide. We can write the chemical reaction. Zinc sulfide is reacting with concentrate HNO3 converting into zinc nitrate and sulphuric acid is there, sulphuric acid, okay, H2SO4 and plus nitrogen dioxide NO2 is there, okay, very good. It says what are the changes in the oxidation number of zinc, sulfur and nitrogen, okay, zinc, sulfur and nitrogen, change in oxidation numbers. To find out the change in oxidation number, we can write down the oxidation number of elements, especially for zinc, sulfur and nitrogen on both sides of the equation. You can see this is sulfide ion present in -2, zinc will be present in +2. Very simple. Okay. Other side. HNO3 neutral molecule is there. Hydrogen is present in +1. Hydrogen attached to non-metal shows +1 oxidation number. Hydrogen is present in +1. Nitrogen. How many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2 is equal to 0. Neutral molecule. Plus 1 nitrogen minus 6 is equal to 0. Then nitrogen minus 5 is equal to 0. Then we get a nitrogen present in +5 oxidation number. Here we have nitrogen present in +5. Okay. Other side. If you crisscross one zinc to nitrate crisscross, 2 will go on left side, 1 will go on the other side. First one is always positive, second one is always negative. Interesting. In H2SO4, if you calculate the oxidation number of sulfur, oxidation number of sulfur we have. So 2 hydrogen, each hydrogen is what? +1. Then sulfur, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen, each oxygen is what? -2 is equal to 0. Then we have +2 and plus sulfur -8 is equal to 0. Then sulfur -6 is equal to 0 and sulfur is present in +6 oxidation number. Here we have +6. Okay. And then in case of NO2, so there are 2 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2. 2 oxygen -4. If overall charge of oxygen is -4, then nitrogen will be present in +4 oxidation numbers. Keep in mind this nitrate is there, nitrate ion, and in this case also nitrogen will be present in +5 oxidation number. You can calculate +5 oxidation numbers. Now we can compare the oxidation number to find out the change in the oxidation number of concerned elements. Okay. In case of zinc, pay attention very carefully. We have zinc to zinc, okay, zinc to zinc. You can see zinc is present in +2 oxidation numbers. Other side also it is present in +2 oxidation number. If we find the difference, the 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 is there. In case of zinc, we got change in oxidation number is what? 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we move on to the sulfur. You can see sulfur is present in -2 oxidation numbers. Other side sulfur is present in +6 oxidation number. Find the difference. And in the difference we always subtract a small value from the large value. Okay, it is what? -2, other side is +6. So we mention 6 minus and -2 is there. Then it will be 6 plus 2 is equal to +8 is there. Okay. So in case of sulfur we are getting change in oxidation number, that is +8 is there. Very good. Now in case of nitrogen, you can see this nitrogen and this nitrate ion having the same oxidation number, but one more nitrogen is present. In this case present in +5 oxidation number. Other side nitrogen is present in +4 oxidation number. 5 minus 4 difference in oxidation number. 5 minus 4 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Nitrogen case, okay, nitrogen dioxide, it is 1 is there. Okay, this is what we are getting in the answer. Now if you look at the option, none of the options are matching. But if you look at the C starting from 0, okay, but +8 is coming in case of D. But in case of, you can see nitrogen, it is coming -1, and -1 is not possible practically. Okay, because this is nitrogen dioxide is there, 2 to the 4 present in +4 oxidation number, and this is what? +5. Okay, so we can write it should be +5. +5 is there. Sorry, it should be +1. It should be +1. It should be +1. Okay, so option we are getting, that is D option. Here we have zinc 0, sulfur plus 8, nitrogen plus 1. Okay, so option D is correct.